Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue many drivers face: the P0116 code. This code indicates a problem with the engine coolant temperature ECT sensor circuit range or performance. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The ECT sensor is usually located near the thermostat housing or on the cylinder head. It's responsible for measuring the temperature of the engine coolant and sending that information to the car's computer. When it malfunctions, it can cause a range of issues, including poor fuel economy and engine performance. While the check engine light is the most common symptom, you might also experience rough idling, poor fuel economy, engine overheating in some cases. OBD2 scanner, socket wrench set, replacement engine coolant, temperature sensor, rags, coolant. Check the code. First, use your OBD2 scanner to verify the P0116 code. You can also reset the code here, but it might come back if the problem isn't fixed. Visual inspection. Pop the hood and follow the coolant hoses to locate the ECT sensor. Check the wiring for any cracks, corrosion, or loose connections. Look at the sensor itself for any damage. If the diagnosis points to a bad sensor, it's a relatively inexpensive and straightforward replacement. If you have a multimeter, you can test the sensor's resistance based on your car's repair manual. With the engine cold, the resistance should be within a specific range. Remove the thermostat, locate your HVAC system's breaker box and shut off the power to the furnace or air handler. Alternatively, you might find a labeled switch near the thermostat itself. Most thermostats simply pull off their base plate on the wall. There might be a latch or a button to press for release. Refer to your thermostat's manual for specific instructions, if available. After the fix, clear the trouble code from your OBD2 scanner and start the engine. Check if the problem is resolved and the check engine light stays off. Important safety reminders. Always consult your car's manual before attempting any repairs. Never work on a hot engine. Let it cool completely before touching the coolant system. If you're uncomfortable with any step, take your car to a qualified mechanic. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the P0116 code. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're unsure about any step, seek help from a professional. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips.